Hello once again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And let me share with you my deals for today. Let me start with a little rant. Well, it's a little rant about myself, actually. A mistake that I made. A lesson to everyone. Lesson for myself and any newbies out there to couponing, or even a lesson for all you veterans out there. It's a lesson in being prepared. I was not prepared today. What should have only been maybe a 15-20 minute shopping trip for me today, it cost me an hour and a half of my time, plus the gas that it took me running around. Let me tell you what happened. I go into the store. When I get out of class, I stop in the Target out there in the area where I go to school. Go in there, get my items together, get ready to go check out. Before I get in line, I always like to get my coupons out, have them in my hand. But guess what? No coupons. Coupons are at home on the table, because I did not put them in my binder last night like I normally do. So that was a lesson for me. Always be prepared. Hard lesson learned, but I lived and learned. So after all that, I go to the next Target. Once I come home, get my coupons, go to the next Target, the one closer to where I live. They do not have the products at all. Nothing they had. So I had to leave there and go to another one that's a little bit further out. But they had everything I needed, so it was worth the trip. In the end, it was worth it. So let me just break down to you what I've gotten today. Going Target, they have these Johnson & Johnson first aid kits. These are actually in the travel section, and they're only 97 cents. And if you have the coupon from your paper this past weekend, there is $1 off any Johnson & Johnson product. I believe it was just any product. So these were 97 cents. I had those coupons for that. So I was able to get 4 of them. I would have been able to get 5, but one of my inserts was missing a few coupons, so that left me with just 4. Okay, no big deal. Then the Curel, if you're not aware, Curel is at Target right now, and if you buy 2 of them, you will receive a $5 Target gift card. And if you go to Curel.com, you can print a $1 off any one Curel product, but it excludes travel and trial sizes. And this is actually a 6-ounce size, and it's pretty big. It's not little tiny 2-ounce or 4-ounce. That's 6 ounce, so that's a nice size. And also the second Target that I actually went in, they had these $1 off hanging coupons. These are actually hanging on some of the larger bottles, so I grabbed 2 of them off, and I'll probably use those later. But I just wanted to hurry up and get what I came to get and get out of there and go home. But anyway, back to what I got. Got the like I said, these Johnson & Johnson first aid kits, they were 97 cents a piece. Got 4 of those, and I got 2 of the Curel. So after all my coupons, that was $6 in coupons that I had. My subtotal, or my total, came to $3.86. There was a little bit of overage left over from the first aid kit, so they went towards that. So that out of pocket was $3.86, and it gave me a $5 gift card. So what I did, went ahead on the second transaction, same thing with the Curel. They were $2.99 each, $2 off coupons. That brought that down to $3.98. I used the first gift card that I got, and that left me with a balance of $1.02. So now I have $6.02 in Target coupon gift cards. So that was a great money maker. And like I said, that was a nice size bottles of Curel lotion. So that's not a bad deal at all. $3.86 out of my pocket, and I came home with $6. So that's not bad. And let me share this with you real quick. I got this from Luana and from Miss Rio. They posted that if you go to Family Dollar, they have some $1 CoverGirl products, and there's a coupon in the paper that is for $1 off any CoverGirl product, not makeup or anything, just any product, period. So I grabbed 5 items that you see here, grabbed those, and I had the 5 coupons, so those were free. But then they also had some other items that are a little bit higher than $1. Let's see, I got a file, which was $2, and the Pumice Stone was $1.50. So they made that $3.50. And there was a coupon also in that same paper that was for $2.50 off for any 2 CoverGirl products. So basically that was 50 cents. I'm sorry, $1 for that transaction. So 50 cents a piece. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I think I did pretty good today. I want to thank everybody that put together those videos. They really helped me out, because they're quick. I can watch the videos, put my list together, run out, grab what I need to get. When I'm prepared, it goes by very quickly and very smoothly. So that's what I wanted to share with everyone today. And remember, be prepared, and happy couponing. Thanks for watching.